Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So you may have, if you're selling in the USA or Amazon Australia, you may have recently been emailed by Amazon saying that they are reducing your inventory limit. So what does that mean to you as an Amazon seller? A couple of different things. First of all, it potentially means that if you've been selling on Amazon for a brief period of time and your sales, your inventory performance indicators, or the API, if they're not as good as Amazon like them to be, they may say, hey, you're limited in the amount of stock you can put in your Amazon store. Now, it's not the end of the day. There are many other ways to sell on Amazon without storing your products in the Amazon warehouse. So here's a few things that you can do, all right? Number one, you can use what we call a 3PL. It stands for Third Party Logistics Company, all right? So write that down, Third Party Logistics Company. If you just Google it, 3PL California, 3PL Sydney, 3PL Brisbane, there are companies that pop up. If you're one of our students, just get in contact with me and I can basically share with a few ideas with you also, all right? So you can actually use those companies, and as orders come in, they can do two things. They can actually send them directly to your customers. So you make the sale on Amazon Australia. As sales are made, your 3PL, your third party logistic company, will send them directly to your customer. Same thing, nice thank you card in there, shipping, packing, tracking number, the whole works, right? They can also replenish stock from, as you run low on Amazon Australia, they can actually replenish the stock and send it to the Amazon warehouse. So that's another thing that they can do for you as well. So basically, you convert from, you convert to an FBM seller, all right? Or you stay FBA, but as you run low on stock, you replenish quite quickly from your 3PL, all right? So that's one way around it, but there's many other ways, and this is something that that we've been talking with a few of our colleagues about, who are quite, who know a lot more about the inner workings of what's happening right now with Amazon. Is they're actually slowly increasing it because they've had such backlash from Amazon sellers. They're actually increasing the inventory levels day by day. Now, not on everyone's account, but they are going to be doing that on a few accounts, all right? So keep an eye out, check out your Amazon Seller Central store and go to, I believe it's Manage FBA Inventory or Create a Shipping Plan. You'll be able to see at the bottom your inventory levels. Have a fantastic day. Talk to you real soon. Bye for now. See ya.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.